Hello, my name's Nadia Strachan and I'm an interior designer, and I have started to do this series of videos just to let you know about my series of 20 books. There's 20 books in total called Interior Design Stories. Now, this is an example of my book, and this is the second one in the series. Currently, there are 4 books available for sale of the 20 series. The first one is Curb Appeal. The second one is Hallways, which is this book here. And the third one is Living Rooms. And the fourth one is recently completed, which is Kitchens. And they are all available for sale on Amazon. So you can buy them at amazon.com. Just type in Interior Design Stories, or you can type in my name, which is Nadia Strachan, and my books should come up for you and you'll be able to purchase them there. Now, the books are come in 3 formats. There is the download, which is £3.96. And the A4 size book, which is twice the size as this one, and that one is £23.99, and the A5 book, which is £18.99. Now, today I'm going to just delve into this book and just to let you know just what the content is. If you want to know more details about what's in all of the books, please go to my website, which is www.interiordesignstories.co.uk.